Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to hide and unhide your live videos on Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, open Facebook application. Then tap on three lines at the top right corner. After that, tap on settings icon from here. Then just scroll down and tap on activity log. After that, tap on your Facebook activity. Then scroll down and here you tap on live videos. After that, tap on your live videos. Now you will see all your previous live videos. If you want to hide your live video, just tap on the three dots at the right side of the video you want to hide. Then tap on hide from profile. Now your live video is hidden from your Facebook profile, and if you want to unhide the video, again tap on the three dots at the right side of the video. Then tap on add to profile. That's it. Your video is now visible on your profile again. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.